And Mikey.
We're reviewing a couple items here that our school just gave to us, and it's Expo whiteboard, KR eraser, and a dry erase board. Now, when you first get it, it's covered with some plastic. On the back, it has some twin stick, and it's 9.5 by 12, and it says it's great for home office, and it's sophisticated, durable, and versatile. So now here we are opening our package. The plastic feels pretty soft, tears easily. You get out your stickies if you want to hang it anywhere, like on your house. Good for college reminders. And here, and it has another cool sticky in the back. And we're gonna stick this on our cameraman for fun. Hey, don't take those, I need them.
What?
I was gonna do something with them.
Michelle, we're doing a video.
Okay, and next Expo.
My turn.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, and now we're gonna be unboxing the Expo Whiteboard Care Eraser by
Expo.
Expo. Okay. So I'm unboxing it now, and it just slides out.
Slides, really? Wow.
Is there anything else in the box? No.
Let's look. Let's take a peek. Wait, let's put the flash really quick. Nothing.
And here's our eraser. And here is our board. Magic. Magic. It's kind of foamy, you know.
Alright, so.
Slide down, doesn't it, Mikey? Wait, I want to be the first to touch my eraser.
Okay.
It's really soft. No, it really is soft, but it feels kind of cheap, even though it's the leading brand. Like it could just, it's like those cheap, what it called? What's that called? Air foam? ¿Tienes otra? No, I don't like styrofoam. Styrofoam coolers with like some felt. That's it. Aesthetic. Alright, so my name's Michelle. This was a review for the Expo and the board. And Mikey, bye.